Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we're going to go over how you'd remove this headlight assembly, the front headlight assembly. So we've removed the bumper because this right here is where the bumper goes into, and otherwise you won't be able to get this all off, right? So you don't need to remove the bumper completely, but it's just as easy to remove it completely. You could just drop it down to be able to get access to these two bolts here, and to get the bumper down below this. But with the bumper removed, we can now remove this to be able to replace it if it was broken, cracked, or for whatever reason you need to replace it. Also, you want to know how to take this off when you need to take care of your headlights and light bulbs, because it's very narrow back here and you're going to easily take this off to be able to do this, right? So you've got a T25 bolt right here. We've got a T30 or it's a T30 back here, and two number 10 bolts to be undone. Got those two number 10s undone. Undo this 25. And then undo this 30. And with that undone, you should be able to just kind of pick it up and let it drop down, because there's a little tab back here, and then just pull it out. Now you're going to get to a point where there's an electrical connector back here that we need to undo. You just push and clip, and that's how you can remove your whole headlight assembly. And when you get a new one, because if this one was broken or yours is broken, you just take your new one and you would put it back on essentially in the reverse order. So we've got a new one. Put it up into place, drop it in there. Tighten the screws up. Make sure you hook your electrical connector back up. Probably best to hook it up before you put it in, but I forgot. There we go. So electrical connector all hooked back up. This one needs to be tightened. Get this tightened. Then just put your two number 10s back in there and tighten them up.